Okay, hi everyone. So welcome back to my channel. It is finally time for our house tour. So I've been promising this for like literally months. We've been here for just over 2 months. Yeah, so I really wanted to do an empty house tour, but the way that the flip over of our old house to this house and then getting the keys, it just did not work out because we got the keys like at like 4 or 5 p.m. and I didn't want to hold up the truck any longer. So yeah. So here we are moved in, we are living here, so please excuse any messes that you see, but let's get right into it. So when you walk in, this is our front door. When you walk in, we just have a little mat thing here. We just put this little hook up here with some coats for now until we decide what we really want to do in this area. We switched out the locks to like the touch button lock things just because that's easier, and I thought that would be a little better for when Colton is older, in case something happens and he gets locked out of the house, he can learn the code and let himself in, because I know that happened when I was a kid. I would forget my keys and get locked out. So I'm gonna start with the upstairs. So we have this big staircase when you first walk in. These are like actually a little wider than normal stairs, which is kind of nice. Because I think I want to put a couple little baskets here for like mitts and hats and stuff in the winter. So we'll go right up. I'm not a huge fan of the color of the carpet. It's like a beige, but it's whatever. Yeah, so most of the house has this, sorry it's really echoey in this little hallway. Most of the house has this hardwood here. We're not sure if this is like actual hardwood or a man-made hardwood, but it is really nice. And you'll see just some random like these little rugs all over the place because we do have a dog and she's getting used to the flooring. She is used to carpet, so we have these kind of as transitions for her. So when you get to the top of the hallway, that is what it looks like down that way. And to your right is Colton's room. We do still have the mattress. We are almost ready to get rid of it. We do not lay with him to put him to bed on it anymore, and pretty much through the night, he is getting through the night almost, so we're really excited to be getting rid of that. This is Colton's room. It's a little bit smaller than his old room. If you watch my videos, you can tell that, but it's actually a really good size bedroom still. Just his old room was like really big. So we still have all the same furniture. His change table, his laundry basket is just pushed over there. His crib. He has these 2 huge windows, which are really nice for light, and they're really nice windows, but the problem was that these stupid blinds were so expensive that, because I guess it's like an odd size window, so that really sucked. The blinds are just really expensive in this house. We have this little 4 cube one. This was in his closet at the old house, and this room, if you can't tell, is going to be Star Wars themed once we get a handle on everything going on. And over here is his dresser. Again, some more Star Wars stuff. This is just his rock and play that we use as a sound machine, if you're wondering. And then the closets in this house are actually pretty big. His closet is, I would say, comparable to the closet in the old house. It just doesn't have those shelves, so a lot of the totes and stuff we had in there is kind of just piled up here. We are gonna look at maybe doing some, it's really deep, so we're gonna look at doing some shelves over there. And then the closet also goes all the way back to there, so there's some like, this is some stuff that is like too small for him and whatnot. And if you see back there, there's actually attic access back there. We're gonna put a lock on that so that he can't get into the attic, but that is there. So that is Colton's room. We are gonna paint. We actually haven't painted at all in this house. It was a flip, so this is all new paint, but it's all like the same color. It's like a beige color. So obviously that's really not my style. I don't love beige, so it will get painted eventually. So across the hall is our bedroom. My duvet cover is kind of wrinkly because I just took it out of the dryer. Yeah, this is all the same furniture. We have just like a little laundry basket behind the door, Kenny's 2 dressers, our bed, everything's from IKEA. Same with Colton's room, everything's from IKEA. Our bed, our nightstands, same size windows. We literally bought like cheaper blinds for in here because I just could not pay for the whole house those prices of the ones in Colton's room. And then this room is a tiny bit bigger. It actually has this little spot here. So right now, just our extra TV is here and 2 paintings are sitting over here because until we decide what we're doing with them. But I think that I want to put like a little chair and table in here or something, just so that it's like a cute little sitting area. And then this room also has a big closet. It's not as big as Colton's, but it's big enough for Kenny because I don't keep my clothes in the same room. And then this also has an attic access in the back there too. So yeah, and then we just have like this random rug. That's the dog's bed. There's this random rug in here for now until we figure out what we want to do for rugs. This one, I think this is from either Walmart, Home Depot, or Lowe's. I can't remember. So I should say that this room is, or this house is technically 4 bathrooms and, no, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, but 2 of the bedrooms we're not even using as bedrooms. So this is the first bathroom, and I'm sorry, it has like one of those automatic fans, so I can't turn that off. But this one is a 3-piece, so it has a stand-up shower, there's a toilet, and the like sink thing. This is so new that like we still haven't even taken the plastic off. But what I do really like about this one is it has this like huge spot for, oh look at that, they didn't even like finish that. Some of the work in the house is a little shoddy, and you'll be seeing that later. But I want to put like shelves here for like linens and whatnot. So that's what we have going on here. So it's nice to have, you know, an extra bathroom. This is eventually going to be Colton's bathroom when he's older, but I think actually Kenny showers in this one a lot rather than the downstairs. So we're gonna head downstairs. Super echoey. And now you're gonna come into our living room. I have a box, I just emptied that. So this is our main floor. It's all open concept, so you can see right through to our kitchen. But I will start over here. So when you walk in, we have this huge window that I put these curtains on, but I need to get, I think like white ones to put behind it because it's still kind of sheer. Just our shoe rack there for now because I don't know what else to do with it. Colton's little thing of toys to play with up here. So this was in the bathroom at the old house. This was a gift from my parents for my graduation from college. So that worked out really well. And here we are gonna get a couch eventually, but we haven't decided what we really wanna do. This rug is new though, we did get that at HomeSense. These chairs are old and I hate them. So just over here is another random piece of furniture that we had in the old house, just a like fake fireplace. And you'll notice when I start now, get down on this floor, I have a bunch of plants. I am planning on doing a video about my plants. Kind of gotten into that lately. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more about my plants. And here I go again with the little rugs I was telling you guys about. And it's the same flooring throughout the house also. We do not have like a coat closet or anything. So right now this stroller is just sitting there because we have nothing else to do with it. So like I said, it's open concept, so you kind of go right from the living room to the dining room to the kitchen. So this is our dining room, and basically it's just our old table. We're gonna get a new table. Yeah, so that's nothing really to talk about. But then you get into the kitchen, which is probably one of my favorite parts of the house because it's white. And if you guys know, if you see my old videos and my Instagram, I have wanted a white kitchen for so long. I was just about ready to like paint my old ugly kitchen white just because I couldn't stand it anymore. So all the appliances came with the house. They are Whirlpool, and yeah, I love the stainless because we had stainless at our old house also. This has a door right up to the backyard. It's a pretty decent sized backyard, and it has like a little shed back there. This is a project that I'm working on for Colton for his birthday. It's like a kitchen set. One of the other pieces is downstairs, you'll see that. But unfortunately we do not have recycling bins at this house for some reason, so we need to go pick up recycling bins. So like literally my recycling is just sitting there. So here is our kitchen, just a pan of that. I kind of want to redo, I think, the cupboards because they're not completely working for me. I'm running out of space for like food and whatnot because I did like pantry here and snacks here. Oh, I should note though that we eventually are gonna do this wall with cabinets also, with like a little command center and then like a pantry here so that it matches, and then it'll be more counter space. And then I think we're also gonna do a huge island here. Instead of an actual dining room table, we're gonna do like a bar with the island, and then that'll be the seating for the house. So yeah. There is our kitchen. I love this microwave because it's not like on the counter, and it has like the fan and everything underneath it because the fan at my old house never worked. So yeah, I love this kitchen. This, oh, the countertops are quartz. They're not anything super fancy. Okay, so now over to here is our second bathroom. This is my bathroom, I like to call it. I love this bathroom. I love the flooring in here, the tile. This is the little vanity. I hate the countertop in here because it has like glitter on it and it drives me flipping crazy. But I love the white. I also hate this mirror and I'm going to sell it. So I got this little thing for my makeup with all this up here. It has obviously a toilet. I love this big soaker tub with like this really cool faucet up here. This is really neat. And then we also have like a stand-up shower. And I like that they took like the tile and put it all up here. So it kind of like brings up the color a little bit. And then we also, this is the first room we painted because it was the same beige color, which you can't use regular paint in a bathroom, and we're assuming they did, so that was stupid. But this is more of like a gray. And then over here, I'm gonna do the same thing with shelves. So like our towels are literally sitting on the floor. We're gonna do shelving in there to have some stuff for towels and whatnot. So there is a door from this bathroom into what they called the master bedroom, but we're not using it as a master bedroom. We're actually using it as my office, which is absolutely embarrassing. This is the only room we haven't unpacked because I just haven't had time. So my office setup is over here with this. This used to be in Colton's bedroom. It's in here now, but I think I'm gonna get the bigger one with the, what is it, 4, 8, 12, 16 cubes or whatever. This room also has a closet, so that actually is where my clothes are. And there's a stroller in here because, again, we have nowhere else to put things. So yeah, I just have way too much stuff in here. I need to go through things. That's what this box is more things to donate, just because we have way too much stuff. But this room is not working for me right now. So last but not least is the basement. This is, I love this door. It has like this kind of like frosted glass on it. And this goes down to the basement. Okay, so I like this carpet a little more than that other carpet. It is still like a beige-ish color, but it has a bit of gray in it, so I kind of like it better. So right here are just some boxes of things that need to be donated. We haven't taken them upstairs yet. And behind this door is like storage. That's supposed to be another bedroom, but it's way too small to use as a bedroom, and we don't have any storage space in this house, so we're using that as storage right now. And then this is like a cold room or workshop. So Colton, Kenny has all his like painting tools and whatnot in there because Kenny's a painter. So if you guys watch my videos, you've seen a lot of the basement already. This is our living space area. So our couch is from the old house. And the TV stand and TV are from the old house also. This is a custom built, not for us, but for Kenny's company. They had this built and they used it as like a showpiece or whatever. So we painted it black to match our furniture, and that's where that's from. I can't link it or anything. And our couch, I believe, is from Leon's. So the basement is huge, and it has the carpet all the way through it. So over here we made this like Colton's toy area. So his little IKEA table, some toys. That's all his books that need to be put away. All his toys. This piece is new. That's from IKEA. This is obviously from IKEA, all his toys. His little tent over here. Back here behind this door, these two doors, this is like the furnace and hot water tank and all that gross stuff. And then over here is, I made that like a little parking lot for his car. So you'll notice that this drywall isn't finished. We actually built this room out. So originally it was just like a little tiny bathroom. It actually was like flush with the wall over here. And we built it out another like 2 or 3 feet. Because I wanted a bigger bathroom, and it's also the laundry room. So we had to build that out. And then we're also having some construction done over here because some of this wall needs to be taken down, and the foundation needs to be fixed because something needs to be fixed. Something is leaking. So we have to have that ripped out. Anyways, so there's this really cool wall here. If you guys watch my videos, you've seen I talked about that in my last video. I love this wall. I think it's gonna be so good for sit-down videos. This is more like construction equipment and stuff. And again, with the carpet. And then in here is like this awesome tile. It's gray. I love this tile. And our contractor was like really great and was able, so this tile over here was original when we bought the house, and then our contractor was awesome and found the exact matching tile and retiled that. So like I said, this is gonna be the, what's it called? The laundry room and bathroom. So, okay, so my camera died, so I had to charge it. So I'm like 2 hours later now, but this is the basement bathroom. As you can see, it's like drywall and whatnot. It's not done in here. Like the part on the other side of the wall that some of it has to get ripped up to figure out where a leak is coming from. This is going to have to get ripped up for that also. So we've kind of halted the construction in here for now until we get that figured out. So this is all new construction. Obviously you can see where the wall ended, and then this is all new. So what I'm planning on doing is doing some kind of like cabinets up here or something. And then I have the washer and dryer over here, and I'm thinking about doing like a countertop right across. These are the Samsung front loading washer and dryer. I'm not a huge fan of front loading, but with the way that the room was kind of set up at the time, I thought that I wouldn't be able to get a top loading because it wouldn't fit, but now I can, so I'm kind of mad about it, but it's fine. They work really great. They're brand new. Yeah, so there's just this little thing. This is actually coming out this weekend for that, for the construction, and I said to Kenny that I don't care if it gets ruined. I'm not like super happy with it. If you can see, like, wasn't even put together properly. This is like not even, and this is that countertop that I don't like. So if this has to go and I have to get a whole new one, it's not a big deal. But it is nice that there's a window in here, and yeah, so it's a nice big room. It'll be a really great laundry room. I'm gonna do, I think, a countertop here too with cabinets underneath and maybe one shelf or something up here. I'm not sure, but because we don't have like a pantry or anything, we could maybe put some like, at least like toilet paper and paper towel and whatnot and stuff down here. So yeah, that is our laundry room. So that is our house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will have an updated one once some of this construction stuff gets finished up. But that is our house for now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you guys decide to hit that subscribe button and follow along with our DIYs and renos. We have some really cool stuff coming up, so I can't wait to show you guys. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.